Now I'm going to connect the power and show you the noise this makes. If the speed is slow, the noise is minimal. But if I set the speed to like 9, notice the noise that it makes.